In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide that you downloaded an app on your iPhone. This will remove the cloud icon from the App Store. So what you first need to do is uninstall the app that you want to completely remove. So I'm going to do that with this app here called Dot. So if I go ahead and hold down on it, I can click delete and then delete it from my phone. Once I've done that, we can then go to the App Store. Here in the App Store, if we search for it, you will see that it will have a cloud icon, which we can now remove. So to do that, all we do on the App Store, you go to search in the bottom right, and you want to look for your profile icon, which will be in the top right hand corner. Click on that. Then go to apps. Then you'll see a list of all of the apps that you've downloaded. You can then go ahead and search for the app you want to hide. As you can see here, we've got the cloud icon. And if we go ahead and swipe to the left of this app, we can then hide it. And now if we go back to the App Store and search for it again, as you can see, it removes the cloud icon. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.